The open wood-burning fireplace is an iconic heating appliance that has been used for centuries to keep people warm. When you think of fireplaces, family gatherings, stories, and warmth come to mind. What you might forget, though, is the maintenance involved in owning an open fireplace. In this video, eFireplaceStore will show you how to keep your fireplace clean, safe, and functioning. eFireplaceStore employs specialists certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. So, we'll walk you through each step in maintaining your fireplace to make sure your understanding is clear. But first, we want to encourage you to inspect your firebox every time you build a fire, as this is one of the most essential parts of your fireplace. Without a functional firebox, you increase the risk of a house fire every time you use your fireplace. With that said, let's jump right into cleaning your fireplace. Step 1. Empty the firebox of all ashes and unburned material left behind from previous fires. Make sure to wear old clothes and to protect your floors. Cleaning can get dirty. We also recommend a good pair of rubber gloves. Remove any big pieces of debris by placing them into a metal ash pan or bucket. And always wait 48 hours before throwing the ash away. This way, you'll avoid accidentally causing a house fire with hidden cinders or embers. One tip to limit the amount of ash kicked into the air is to use spent, still damp coffee grounds while cleaning. Sprinkling them over the ash before sweeping helps to cut down on the mess. A wise investment, if you use your fireplace often, is an ash vacuum. An ash vacuum makes cleaning the firebox and removing ashes from the hearth floor or ash dump even easier. Do not, however, substitute your regular household vacuum for an ash vacuum, as a fire may result. Step 2. Once the firebox is empty of ash, examine your fire bricks or liner panels. Look for cracks wider than the thickness of a dime. Pick several points on each wall to gently press to see if the bricks or panels are loose. Never operate a fireplace with broken, missing, or badly cracked bricks or panels. Flue gases can escape into surrounding structures and could cause a fire. Step 3. Choose an appropriate cleaner and spray down your fireplace. For heavier soot stains, you may consider using an all-purpose cleaner or even an oven cleaner. Now get an abrasive scrubber like a wire brush, cover it with cleaner, and start scrubbing gently, moving from top to bottom. Once you're done scrubbing every last inch, let the cleaner sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Step 4. Finish up. Now that hard-to-scrub dirt should be loosened up and ready to wipe off with a wet cloth and warm water. At eFireplaceStore, one of our favorite heavy-duty cleaners is the Paint and Peel product from Chimney Saver. To use Paint and Peel, apply a nice thick coat to the area to be cleaned with a paintbrush or roller. Let the product dry, then simply peel it away and reveal your newly restored fireplace. If you've been keeping up with your cleaning, your firebox should be pretty clean after that. One last step you should take is to inspect your damper. If your fireplace uses a traditional cast iron damper, verify that the poker control or rotary control opens and closes the damper. Using a flashlight, examine both the damper plate and damper frame. If you see heavy corrosion, the damper will need to be replaced soon. You'll also need repairs if the damper plate or frame is loose and the chimney throat is warped or has holes. Check your damper at least once a year to make sure the springs, levers, and seals are in good condition. The team here at eFireplaceStore wants to make sure your fireplace stays clean and operational. So if you have questions about wood-burning appliance selection or maintenance, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. And in the meantime, be sure to check back in at eFireplaceStore.com to shop or to learn more from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and buying guides. Thanks for watching.